Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to connect Clash of Clans with Facebook account. So let's get started. First of all, open your Clash of Clans game. Then if you want load old game, you can load. Here is your game open. Then click on right side setting option. Click on setting this page open. Here, you can see profile, social option. Click social option. Then here's the option connect on Supercell ID. Click connect. Then click skip option all. Then login. Now you are login with Supercell ID. So for now, question how to connect with Facebook. So there is no Facebook option. For Facebook, just click on connected option. Now this page open. Click on friend option. Here you can see on right plus option, click on it. Then click share link to profile. Now you can share with your Facebook friend to be your friend in Clash of Clans. So that's all for today. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.